Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you around my farm. Now, we got the cow pen right here, the milkers, calves, the hay bales in the loft. Then this crack, there is the heifer pen right here. There's the big bull. And right over here, I put this tractor here because I gotta go scrape some silage when the 8440 comes back. Our articulator comes back with a load of silage, which we're not going to do it right now, but we're going to do it tomorrow. Then we got the Ford hay truck. And over here we got the tire stack and the other silage stack, which is almost gone. Then we got the manure spreader right there, which we had to move over here. And the baler has to be moved over there by the Ford. And then tomorrow I gotta move some, and then tomorrow I'm gonna move this silage stack. And then the pasture ain't done yet. Gotta get the gate. And here's the door out to the pasture. The cows go through here, out in the door, which is right here. And then I'm going to bale some more hay bales this weekend, I hope. And then, so that's it. Unsubscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.